Hi, I'm Cormac Foster, and I work in product marketing here at GitLab. I'm really excited to introduce the Leading Transformation track today. The theme of this commit is You Belong Here, and this track, I think, really reflects that. It's easy to hyper-focus on technology. I work at a technology company, so I'm guilty of that. But technology is a business tool, and businesses are made of people. So today, we are going to focus on the journey that people take in a business to make things work better. So today we have sessions on a team's first steps toward DevOps, how to choose what to measure to learn how to do things better, how to build a culture of knowledge sharing to include everyone in what you've learned, how to manage a portfolio of products and projects as you go forward with that knowledge. And then we'll look at the outputs of that. So ways to apply that DevOps foundation to transform and modernize the applications themselves, and how to automate the governance around all of the work that you're doing. So you really do belong here. We mean that. And we couldn't do this without you. So please participate with our speakers, with GitLab employees, and with one another in the chat while you're watching. And with that, let's get started. Thank you very much for being here, and have a great commit.